If you've always been planning on running a viral short form content channel, then this is the right video for you. Because in this video, I'll be revealing one of the most powerful tools behind a lot of viral videos you see on the internet. And the reason why this tool is so powerful is because this tool actually helps a lot of creators that are using it spot viral content ideas, help them generate viral descriptions and tags that will help them blow up, and at the same time these two also help them make the videos as well for those who want to run a faceless channel. So guys, without taking much of your time, the name of this tool is actually Virlo AI, and in this video I'll be walking you through a step-by-step guide on how you can actually use this tool to spot viral content ideas in your niche and also turn those ideas to faceless content in case you want to create faceless content. All of this inside Virlo AI. So let's get down to business. So guys, in order to get started, all you need to do is simply click on the link that is available in this video description. Now once you click on that link, it should bring you over to this homepage right here, as you can see. Now once you come over to this homepage, now you basically click on where it says get access to Virlo, and you can go ahead, create your account, and then continue from there. So guys, now for me, you can see I'm logged in into my account now. Now once you log into your account, the first thing I want to do is simply head over to where it says profile, and then come over to where it says account. Now once you are into account, please make sure to connect your Instagram account, your TikTok account, and then your YouTube short account as well. Now you can see that for me, I've already connected TikTok, and I'm here to bring in the Instagram and the rest because I really need these two to help me blow up my social media accounts. I've used them on a faceless channel before, but this time around I also want to use it on my faced channels. So basically now, that is basically the most important thing that I want you to do first. Now after you do that, now let's talk about how we actually spot viral content with this particular tool. Now there are two methods you use to spot viral content. Now one of them is the global viral content. Now this one basically tells you the current viral things, that the most viral things on the internet right now. Like for example, if you want to see them, if you come over here, if I come over to global on my homepage, you can see it shows me the hashtag one trending thing today, January 15th, 2026. You can see it basically tells you the things that are really making waves on the internet right now. And if you come down here, you are going to see recent videos that are actually getting the most views. You can see on TikTok, you can see this video is currently at 445,000 views, and they are showing you real-time data that are actually performing really well. And if you come over to the research tab here, come over to outlier. Now this place here will actually show you some of the most viral content based on the period you actually set. Now for my account, I set it to weekly. You can see this is some of the most viral content for today, 15th January. You can see this one has 347,000 views already, 187,000, and you can see them right here. You can even see some videos sitting at 2.3 million. Now over here, they basically show you general things that are trending. Now you don't actually need this because you want to create your content for a specific niche. Now how do you do that? Well, to do this, all you need to do is simply head back to your dashboard. Now once you're at your dashboard, you wait for it to load up. Now you can see that what custom niches. Now for me, I've already created a custom niche already. Now if I should come over to this custom niche right now, you see that what they will give me some viral content ideas related to the niche that I actually set. Now you can see I set for content creation, and here are my keywords that I use: content creation, how to grow on YouTube, how to grow on social media, and how to make money using social media. These are the sort of topics I talked about. So they gave me things that are actually trending on this niche. They gave me a total of 119 videos with a total of 95.6 million views, each of them averaging at least 802k views and above. Now imagine videos getting these views in less than a week. That means that what if I should start creating this sort of shot, there's a chance for me to also blow up as well. Now after that, if you come down here, you're going to see more information. You can see they are giving me things that are really getting the most engagement right now. So basically what this tool does is simply they go over to the internet, look for the things based on the instructions you've given to it, and they try to give you viral content ideal. Now let me show you how you can also set yours up as well. Now in order to set yours up, head over to where it says dashboard. Now once you are on your dashboard, click on where it says custom niche. Now the reason why it's best to set custom niche is that what the custom niche system actually helps you tailor the niche to actually fit your personality. So for example, if you create content around a particular area, like I create content around content creation. Now under content creation, I'm very specific with the kind of content I create. So if I say I want to use content creation in general to pick the topics to make the video on, I might get a lot of random topics. That's why I advise the custom niche system. Now this one actually picks topic around a very specific range. Like for example, let me create for my forex trading niche. So if I want to create for my forex trading niche, first thing is simply you add the niche name. So for me, I'll just use forex trading. Now after that, now keywords. Now you basically add keywords that are related to your niche. So let me use keywords that are really related to forex trading. So first I'll say now after I put anyone, you just hit enter on your keyboard, and then I'll come over here to, so basically I'll just put all the keywords that are related to the sort of content I create like this. Now to put other keywords, the next thing is simply you come over to where it says platforms. Now if your plan is to create for only one platform, maybe you only want to use TikTok, then you can uncheck Instagram and then YouTube Shorts. But if you want to create for all of them, I will advise you just tick all three of them. Now the next thing is simply, this is the data collection. Now they want to know your main target. Now you can see the minimum views that you actually need. So for me, I always need videos that are at least 25,000 views and above. And the time range is simply, you can go for weekly or monthly. So for this sort of situation, for forex trading, we all know that it's not a niche that will pull millions of views within a short period of time. So for that, I can set it to monthly and then 25k views. Now there are some niches whereby you need to just keep it at weekly and 25k views, or even 100k views, which is normal. However, when you keep it here, it basically shows that this is the minimum they are going to consider. Meaning for the views, they can consider anything from 25k to millions of views within this period that you've actually selected. They'll just give you the best performing videos within the period range. Now update frequently. Now this is basically how frequent do you want them to update your library. So basically you can come over here and set it to daily, meaning every single day at exactly midnight they are going to update your content library. So 24 hours from now, if I should set it to daily, 24 hours from now they are going to update every single content that is in there already. Now for me, I prefer keeping it weekly, so maybe weekly is perfectly fine for me, so I'll just go for weekly. Now over here, credit cost. Now it actually costs you some credit to generate anything you do here. So basically they work based on credit. So how do you get this credit? Well, the credit you get totally depends on the account size that you actually sign up to. Like for example, if you come over to their homepage here, which is virlo.com, using the link available in the video description, you can just come over to where it says pricing, and then you can sign up to any of their plan. And they are currently giving 30% discount off, and I will reach out to them to see if they'll give me a discount code. If they give me a discount code, I'll drop it in the video description as well, and also in the pinned comment. Now you can see it starts at $20. Let me go to the monthly plan. Now if you are subscribing for the monthly plan, it starts at $20 per month. Now with this one, you get daily viral data, 100 plan credits for orbit, account searches, media generation, unlimited niche analytics, and the unlimited trend data and one account connection. However, if you go for the $279 option, you get every single thing and 12,500 plan credit as well. And for me, I always advise you just go with the annual plan. Like if you go for the yearly plan, this one that you were supposed to pay $29 every single month, you just pay about $243. And over here, instead of paying, if you go back to the monthly, you pay $279, but when you go yearly, you are paying $197. I particularly subscribe to this particular one, and it gave me 12,500 credits. Now this is enough for me to actually create a lot of videos. And however, you don't always have to go for this option alone. There's another option that you can actually use to get free credit, and I'll be revealing that at the very end of the video, so stay with me. So basically they said this is going to cost me 50 credits. So every week, since I set it to weekly update, it's going to cost me 50 credit to update every single week. So I have enough credit, so I'll just click on create niche. Now you just sit back, and then it's actually going to create. Now once you create a custom niche, you need to give it a bit of time. At times it will give you content ideas instantly, and at times you just have to wait a bit for it to actually give to you. Now you can see that what is currently generating content ideas, and it hasn't spot anything yet. So it will just scrape the whole internet among these three social media platforms: TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and then Instagram, and try to give you the best content that are available there. So you can also pause it here. So in case you don't want to use too much coin, you just pause it here. You can see I have this plan here, which is the 12,500 plan. I'm already on the highest plan, as you can see it right here, and it costs about $2,343 per year. So which is really worth it, because if a single viral content can make you over that, if you know, you know. So basically, now let me go back to the dashboard, and then let's pick one of the content ideas that I've gotten for over here. Now at times, in case you don't want to create the custom niche, so you can just come over here and then pick any niche. Now if you're into crypto, you can just click on crypto, and then you're going to see things that are trending for crypto. If you're into different, you just pick whatever niche that you are into here. It's not always that you have to create a custom niche. The only time you need a custom niche is when you want to be really specific about the sort of content you actually want. So for example, let me come over to where it says content creation. I already have some content picked out for me here, so, And you can see this one, next update is showing me in, you can see the period that is going to take for the next update. So I just have to wait for 51 hours, 41 minutes and 13 something seconds. So for here, what does this video has about 18.3 million views. This one here has about 13.5 million. So you can just play the videos here to see what it's about. Okay, they still creating my daughter's test trap. Now this one says I make 100. She says she makes $100 an hour from my DOM. These are the sort of content I create if you already know my videos. So you can see from here, you can see it gives you the video description, it gives you the views, the likes that the video has gotten, and then the comment as well. And then they have a reason here why this video are building side hustles, this passive income. So it basically gives you a reason for the video as well. So now from here you can basically watch the video, get an idea of the video, and then just recreate it. Like for example, let me say I'm taking this video here. Let me just take this particular video, and then I can add it to my collections from here. And then I can just create a collection and then add it up right there. But basically I've seen a video that is performing well, so let me just take it and then take the idea. So the main keyword here is simply $100 per hour and passive income. So I can just copy the keyword here. And then if you come down here, you're going to see more ideas. So they say what is working right now. Now basically over here they show you things that are working actively. Now I can say income transparency with exact figures, 5K per month or $100 per hour rates, $1.8 million claims, paired with I'm not selling a course, disclaimer to be. So basically they are telling what is working right now, things that other creators are doing that is working for them right now. And then they give a lot of information here as well. And you can see monetization without massive followers. This is another one that is actually moving. So they just give you all these ideas, and from here they also give you popular hashtags as well that you can actually use. And when you come down, you can see there are other videos here. They say this video here from 13th January has gotten 59,000 views. It says how to get paid for just scrolling on TikTok. Now basically it teaches you money making ideas. Just say how I would turn $1,000 into 10,000 in 2026, how to make $2,000 a month online. So this is also another great video idea as well. So now I have all of these videos ideas, and the next thing simply you go on to creating your own video. So how do you create your own videos using this tool in case you don't want to show your face on camera? Now in order to do that, you come over here to where it says Creator Hub, and then you come over to where it says Media Generation. Now this is where you get to generate the videos that you actually want. And one thing I love about them is that they added educational materials across the whole system. So for every tool, for the first time you're using every tool, or even if you use it a million times, they always have a tutorial on how every single thing works. So when you come over here, you can also watch their tutorials that are built into the system to get more ideas. And also as a creator, they also have their own knowledge center where they teach you other things you need to know about content creation. They basically tell you knowledge for creators, how to go viral, trial reel strategy, hook library, where they have a lot of proven hooks that they actually use that you can actually check from here as well. Now let's just go back to what we are doing on the creator center, media generation. Now let's create our first video as well. Now to create our first video, click on it, says new media generation. Now once you click on it, your new media generation flow is ready. Now once you come over here, you see script and setup. So basically this place they say describe what you want to see in your video. So you can basically describe what you want to see in your video. You say script to video, you give them a script and then they turn it into a video. And they have the image to video as well. In case you have an image, you can upload it and it will turn into a video as well. And then they also have the audio generation system. Now their audio generation system is a top tier. And this is one thing I love about Virlo AI. Simply once you pay that one-time subscription, you get access to every premium thing you need to run a Faceless channel. Now you see for their audio generation, they are directly linked to 1111 Labs. So basically they have some of the high quality voices that you ever need. And you can come over here to select voice. And you can see these are customly made voice that sounds so human that you can't even really tell the difference in most scenarios. So you can use these ones to also get high quality engagement on your videos as well, since the audio sound real. So once you subscribe to them, you have access to a lot of stuff: content research, video generation, image to video, voiceover generation, and almost every single thing you need. So here's a video generation session. Now over here is for the video generation. You can edit scene by scene, and then they also have the image generation. The image generation actually works with Nano Banana, so they are using Nano Banana to generate the image. This means that what you can use it to design your YouTube thumbnails as well. Like, there are basically endless features on this particular platform. You can just click here to upload any image and then give them the editing instructions they actually need, and they are going to do that for you. And this is just 5 credits for it. Now let's just generate one video and actually see. So let me come back to video generation. Now I'll come back to script to video. Now, for example, I want to make a video around the first video I saw that got 1 point something million views, which is about making it's about making $100, making $100 per hour. So now here's a simple message I'm giving to ChatGPT to actually get a video. I say, I want to make a TikTok video with Virlo AI. My topic is 3 side hustles to make $100 per hour. So kindly describe what should be shown in the video so the AI can actually generate a video for me. Now you can also tell to turn it all into a simple description where it's going to give you a full description more like this. Now once you give you this description, just copy it. Now you can also copy it all from the top to bottom, and then come over to your Virlo AI account and then paste in the description here. Now once you paste in the description, now you can tell it how many scenes you actually want. So they say 1 to 3 scenes perfect for simple concept or product showcase. 4 to 6 scenes idea for storytelling with beginner mind, and 7 to 8 scenes complete narrative with detailed progression. So you can basically select the number of scenes that you actually want. So for me, let me just say I'm going for 3 scenes. I want about, okay, let me go for 4 scenes. Now to go for 4 scenes, now generation model. They are integrated with so many AI, so you have to pick any one of your shares. Now they have VO3 quality. This one charges you 225 credits, and it will give you the best quality and 60 seconds of video. Now VO3 fast, this one gives you just 60 credits, and it gives you just 30 seconds of video. And you have the Sora 2 as well, and I also have the Runway ML as well. So for this video, I'll go with VO3. Now you said VO3. Now artistic style as well, you can just come over here and then pick anyone. You can go for professional 3D animation with smooth textures and warm lighting, traditional or hyper realistic videos with real people and environment. So each of them, anyone you go for is totally up to you. So for this one, let me go with professional 3D, and then once you go with it, you just click on analyze and create scenes. So basically from here you can see that what is done generating the video for you. Now you can just download the videos by clicking on the top here. You can just download them separately and then add them together if you want that. That is if you want to do any form of editing to it, or you can just click on where it says download here and then download all 4 of them together based on how they've already combined from scene 1 to scene 4. Now you can always go back in case you want to make any changes. You can always come back here. In case you want to put any form of audio, voice dialogue, you can just paste in wherever word that you want the video to say in this scene, and it's actually going to say it. Now you can say for this scene let the video say this and that, for this scene let the video say this and that. And for each of these areas, character, summary and environment, you can always tell the AI to always change them for you. So you can just copy it, give it to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT is going to change it for you guys. So guys, this is basically how you use this tool, and this is a very important tool that you actually need. Whether you're a content creator, a business owner who really wants to go viral on the internet, this is one of the easiest way to spot viral content and actually recreate them for yourself. Now there are so many ways you can recreate them. You can recreate them in here, you can recreate them outside, but the most important thing is simply this tool is going to help you spot these viral videos that you need. So guys, with this said, hope to see you in my next video, and in case you're looking for more tutorials like that, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like this video, and also make sure to try out Virlo AI. Easy way to go viral, and I'm betting you on